a couple weeks ago, I came up here when they bought the idea himself. Yeah. When they were all in the river, he told me. He loved it, baby. Oh, there you go.
That was read well by the Yankees, Mahoney, and we might have rolled well. Okay, next time we get
Frying rockfish. Sweet. A little YouTube video. I got Lee bringing in a 35-pound rockfish earlier. I just got him up on YouTube.
Something dirty?
Easton Point, Chesapeake Bay, Maryland. A beautiful Saturday after Thanksgiving, November 26th, 2011. Musician Bird Dog Wheeler of Bird Dog and the Road Kings. He's treating his friends to a crab and shrimp feast. Everything is right in the world. You ready for some YouTube video, Bird Dog?
Yeah, man.
You bet.
Rock and roll.
Bird Dog Wheeler treating his buddies to a crab and shrimp feast. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. All right. God bless you. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And there's Danny, buddy. Hey, Danny, where's my boat gonna be ready?
Never heard that question.
Never heard that question before. All right. Talbot County, Maryland. Tread Avon River. That away is Oxford and Tillman and the Chesapeake Bay. All is right with the world.